and welcome to Cooking with the Cajun. Stay tuned because today we're boiling some shrimp on top of the stove. That's right, Cajun stovetop shrimp boil. Bella, want to say hello? Hello, Bella? Well, Bella's looking to see if there's anything I dropped on the floor for her. So we'll be right back with some boiled shrimp, Cajun style. So let me go through some of the ingredients. Zatarain's crab boil, Louisiana shrimp, crab, and crawfish boil. It's the powder in the bag. Look at that. Some of Paul Prudhon's seafood magic. It smells good too. Some Tony Chachere's no salt seafood seasoning blend. We've got some garlic. We've got some butter, unsalted. We've got 3 stalks of corn. We've got a pound of small potatoes that we're going to cut in half. We've got 1 nice orange. We've got 3 nice sun-kissed lemons. We've got a local sweet onion from a local farm. Sweet onion from Ingles Market. And a red onion from Ingles Market. We've got 2 packs of Richard's Andouille smoked sausage. And look, they're from Church Point, Louisiana. And I also want to show y'all our coffee mug from Cooking with the Cajun. There's a link on our channel description. And go get you one. And thank you. So there we have all the ingredients. Now it's time to prepare them. Get our water going, so as we prepare them, we can put them in the water and get them boiling. Then we can add our 5 pounds of head-on fresh shrimp from down in Brunswick, Georgia. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, now we're ready to get our boil going. Put our ingredients in there, get it boiling, then we're going to add our shrimp. So stay tuned and we're going to be right back. So if you notice, the butter's browning because the pan was hot. That's going to give us a nutty flavor. I can smell it. I turned the heat down. Now I'm going to add some water slowly. We're going to mix it in slowly. That way it mixes with that butter. You got to do it real slow so it don't pop all over the place. But it will pop. But as you go slowly, then you can add more and you're good to go. And I like to stir it while I'm adding the water. Now we'll add a little more if we need to. First thing I want to do, when I put our bag of Zatarain's seafood mix in there, let it get going. I need to go clean my leeks. Alright, so we're gonna cut this leek in half. Now I'm going to save this outer wrap for my bouquet garnier that I'm going to make later this week. So the important thing is to get some cold water and just separate the layers in the water and let the sand fall to the bottom. Because they're grown in a sandy environment. so they're dirty when you buy them. And see, they just it comes apart in layers. It smells good too. If you haven't cooked with leeks, you ought to try it. They taste very well. I want to show y'all these leeks. Yes, the leeks. So here you go, our leeks. Sorry, I thought I hit record, but I didn't. I'm going to go ahead and prepare everything, but I wanted to show y'all how to prepare the leeks. It was my second time doing it, and I wanted to make sure everyone, you know, had a visual aid on cutting them up, cleaning them. That way, when you cook your leeks, they'll be clean and they'll taste well. So let me show you. I'll get everything cut up and quartered, ready to go into boil. Now I roll my lemons before I cut them, and make sure you wash them. Oh, there we go. Lemon juice got away. Good thing I'm wearing my new apron. See all that juice that comes out? Look at that. By rolling them first, it really helps. I'm gonna do my orange. So because my orange is so big, I cut it in 8 pieces. I quartered 2 halves, and we're gonna just squeeze it in, just like we did the lemon. And give it a little stir. We're gonna clean our garlic. Got our garlic chopped into little pieces. I like to squeeze the lemons and the oranges, get all the juice out. Pop it open. Make sure you cut away from yourself so you don't accidentally cut yourself. That smells good. Some Old Bay. Got our Paul Prud'hommes. The reason I like the Paul Prud'hommes is it has different season in it for like the thyme and different things like the more of the aromatics blended in. And the last we put the Tony Chachere's in. About half on the Tony Chachere's. Yeah. And then if we need more when we do the potatoes and the corn after the shrimp are done, we can add some more of this. Once I got that in, we're gonna mix it. We're gonna put our second butter in, because the next thing after this is gonna be the shrimp. So we have our 2 sticks of butter, one in the beginning. We wanna make it where it's nutty. It browns, you get that nutty flavor. And then the second one, we're just gonna put regular, where it's just regular fats from the butter is gonna go in, plus the oils and the fats is gonna help the shrimp when you peel them. Got our sausage. I'm gonna put 2 links in now. Oh, you know what? I forgot to cut the sausage. I know it's not pretty, ladies and gentlemen, but I forgot to cut the sausage. Bella, you smell it? Bella smells it. She's right here. She is under the camera. If the camera shakes, it's because Bella's there. So we're gonna cover and let it get hot and come to a boil. Ladies and gentlemen, look at here. 5 pounds of head-on fresh shrimp. Look at that. Wow. Head-on fresh shrimp from Brunswick, Georgia. Came in today. So to make some room, I'm going to remove some of the orange. We're gonna put some shrimp in. Boy, they cold too. They ain't gonna have to. They don't have to cook long. These look like brown shrimp. Might be. That's the first batch. We're gonna have to do 2 batches. Wash our hands. Come on, Bella, move. We boiling. We are boiling. Shrimp's cooking. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, that's the shrimp. That's the color we want to see. We'll let them in a few minutes. When they float, they done. When they're ready, they come to the top. You don't have to worry, they come up. Say, I'm ready. I'm ready to get out this fire. It's too hot, coming up. Shrimp know when they done, I'm telling you. They just know. Look at them, they all huddled right here. Say, come on, that's where we want to go to get out of here. Get out this pool, too hot. So if you own a restaurant, you can do this easy. Somebody orders some boiled shrimp, you can have this on your stove, ready to go, cooking, and have so many shrimp, put them in there, and in 3 minutes they done. So you can probably get a little basket device or something that'll hold them, put them in there, and they done. Pull them out, grab some onion, grab some garlic, grab a little piece of sausage that's in there, that's cooking, put it with the shrimp on the plate, and you got a boiled shrimp appetizer, 5 shrimp, boiled shrimp appetizer. And it's a good little appetizer, and it's easy to do because you can keep it on your stove going. And you can see how easy this is. You can have a dish that's authentic to the Cajuns of Louisiana. Easy. Easy peasy. The only challenge would be getting them fresh. And the other challenge would be, will your customer like to see them head on? That's the other challenge. I like them head on. That's where the juice gonna get in the head. Gonna stay there. I had to get another pot so I can put these shrimp in because this one's about full. This was boiling real good, I could hear it, so I had to turn it down so it wouldn't overdo. And these shrimps are about done. Well, we're gonna eat us another one right now. Second batch is done and we're getting them out. I got some, put it in the original container, now we're putting them in a pot because I ran out of room in that container. That's more than I thought I had. Oh, there's one pink. Look at that, look at that, nice. Look at that nice big shrimp right there, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa! Well, I couldn't have done this again. That shrimp fell right on my new shoe. So we rinsed it off and had to eat it real quick. That's a big shrimp. We don't waste shrimp, ladies and gentlemen. That's why it's got a shell on it. In case it falls, it keeps it clean. Time to check on it. Look at it, she's boiling right along. While we let the potatoes and the corn cook, we're gonna go eat some shrimp. I just want to update y'all. We want to thank y'all for watching Cajun's stovetop boiled shrimp, potatoes, sausage, and corn. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section below. Please remember to like, subscribe. If you don't like it, hit the don't like button. If there's anything you think we could do to improve the video and the quality of the food, please let us know. Hope you have a great day. The Cajun.